gonna mix
this clay.
yeah, these clay into this, well, moon melon
slime.
slime that is inspired by moon melon, even though it doesn't really look like a moon melon, but just pretend it is.
From Grow Garden.
Yeah, if you guys play it, it's a good game. You should.
Right.
If you let's mix it. It's colorful.
So clay.
Clay. Yeah. Take this cap off. Good to go. Okay, mixy mix. Okay, I think it's not gonna be that purple. We're gonna have.
No, I knew that enough, bruh.
Bagus a bit more.
Udah, ini nanti kalau jadi dark.
It's fine. Dark purple's at the top.
Guys,
Wait.